Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to our maths class. Today, we are going to learn about chapter 1, multiplication in term 2 textbook. Do you remember multiplication? What do you mean multiplication? Yes, multiplication is repeated addition. Okay. Multiplication is repeated addition. For example, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to dash. What is 2 plus 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Here, 2 is added repeatedly. How many times added? 3 times added. 2 is added repeatedly 3 times. That is 3 times 2. What do you mean 3 times 2? 3 times 2 means 3 into 2. What is 3 into 2? 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Okay. Write the multiplication facts for the repeated additions. First question, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. How many times 5 repeated? 4 times. That is 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. This is the multiplication fact. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. This is the multiplication fact. Last year we studied. Second question, 4 plus 4. How many times 2 is added? How many times 4 is added? 2 times. That is 2 into 4. 2 into 4. 2 4s are, yeah, very good. 2 4s are 8. Third one, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Here, 1 is added repeatedly. How many times? 4 times. That is 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4. Is it clear? Then last one, 10 plus 10 plus 10. How many times 3 repeated? How many times? 3 times. That is 3 into 10. 3 tens are 30. Very good. Is it clear? This is the multiplication factor. Okay. Then next, properties of multiplication. First question, first one, the product of a number and 1 is the number itself. The product of a number and 1 is the number itself. For example, 5 into 1. 5 into 1 is 5. Okay. 73 into 1. The product of a number and 1 is the number itself. Here, which number? Yeah, 73. Is it clear? Okay, next property. The product of a number and 0 is always 0. The product of a number and 0 is 0. For example, 4 into 0. 4 into 0 is 0. 0 into 19 is 0. Okay. It's very simple. Then third property, if two numbers are multiplied in any order, the product will be the same. Once again, if two numbers are multiplied in any order, the product will be the same. For example, 2 into 4. What is 2 into 4? 2 into 4 is 8. Then 4 into 2 or 4 twos are 8. Therefore, 2 into 4 equal to 4 into 2. Okay, both are same. If two numbers are multiplied in any order, the product will be same. Okay. Then next, multiplication tables 6 and 7. We have already learned multiplication tables 1 to 5. Do you remember? Okay. Then first table of 6. 1 6 are 6. 2 6 are 12. 3 6 are 18. 4 6 are 24. 5 6 are 30. 6 6 are 36. 7 6 are 42. 8 6 are 48. 9 6 are 54. 10 6 are 16. Once again, 1 6 are 6. 2 6 are 12. 3 6 are 18. 4 6 are 24. 5 6 are 30. 6 6 are 36. 7 6 are 42. 8 6 are 48. 9 6 are 54. 10 6 are 60. By heart these tables. Then next table of 7. 1 7s are 7. 2 7s are 14. Listen carefully. 3 7s are 21. 4 7s are 28. 5 7s are 35. 6 7s are 42. 7 7s are 49. 8 7s are 56. 9 7s are 63. 10 7s are 70. Once again, 1 7s are 7. 2 7s are 14. 3 7s are 21. 4 7s are 28. 5 7s are 35. 6 7s are 42. 7 7s are 49. 8 7s are 56. 9 7s are 63. 10 7s are 70. Everybody should by heart these tables. Okay. Then next, multiplication of a two-digit number by a single-digit number without regrouping. Multiplication of a two-digit by one-digit number. Okay. First question, 21 into 4. First multiply ones place by 4. Here, ones place is 1. 1 4s are. What is 1 4s are? 1 4s are 4. Write 4 in the ones column. Then multiply the tens place by 4. Here the tens place is 2. 2 into 4. What is 2 into 4? 2 into 4 is 8. Write 8 in the tens column. So the final answer is 84. Okay. First multiply the ones place by 4. That is 1 into 4 is 4. 4 in the ones column. Then multiply tens place by 4. Here the tens place is 2. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 in the tens column. Okay. Then next 13 into 3. First multiply the ones place by 3. 3 3s are 3 3s are 9. Write 9 in the ones column. Then multiply the tens place by 3. Here 1 into 3. 1 3s are 3. That is 39. Okay. Then next one, 32 into 3. First multiply the ones place numbers 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is, what is 2 into 3? Yeah, 2 into 3 is 6. Then what is the next term? Multiply the tens place by 3. 3 3s are 9. Answer is 96. Okay. Fourth one, 42 into 2. It's very simple. 2 twos are 4. Then 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is, 4 into 2 is 8. Answer is 84. Any doubt? Okay. Next, multiplication of a two-digit number by a single-digit number with regrouping. Listen. First question, 52 into 6. Do you know multiplication table of 6? Yeah. 2 6 are, what is 2 6 are? 2 into 6. 2 into 6 is 12. 2 into 6 is 12. Write 2 in the ones column. Then 1 is carry over to the tens place. First multiply the ones place by 6. 2 into 6 is 12. 2 in the ones column. Then 1 carry over to the tens place. Is it clear? Okay, then continue. 5 into 6. Multiply the tens place by 6. 5 6 are 30. Then 30 plus carry over. 30 plus 1. 30 plus 1 is 31. Any doubt? Okay, next. 29 into 7. First multiply the ones place by 7. 9 sevens are loudly. 9 sevens are 63. 9 sevens are 63. Write 3 in the ones column. Then carry over 2 in the, carry over is 6 in the tens column. Then multiply the tens place by 7. 2 into 7. What is 2 into 7? 2 sevens are 14. 14 plus 6. Adding 14 and 6. 14 plus 6 is? Yeah, very good. 14 plus 6 is 20. So the final answer is 203. Okay. Then next one, 63 into 4. What is the first step? Yeah. Multiply the ones place by 4. 3 fours are 12. Write 2 in the ones column. Write 2 in the ones column. Then 1 is carry over to the tens column. Multiply the tens place by 4. 6 fours are 24. 24 plus carry over. 24 plus 1 is 25. Okay. Then fourth question, 37 into 7. What is 7 sevens are? 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. Write 9 in the ones column. Then what is the next step? Multiply the tens place by 7. Here 4 is carry over to the tens place. Then next step is multiply the tens place by 7. Here the tens place is 3. What is 3 into 7? 3 sevens are 21. 21 plus carry over. 21 plus 1. 21 plus 4 is 25. Okay. Is it clear? Okay, next. Adding. Next, doubling. Adding a number to itself is called doubling. Double of 2 is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Double of 5, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Double of 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. It's very simple. In other words, doubling can be used to multiply a number by 2. Doubling can be used to multiply a number by 2. For example, double of 34. Double of 34 means 34 into 2. What is 34 into 2? We know that 4 twos are 8. Then multiply the tens place by 2. 3 twos are, what is 3 twos are? 3 twos are 6. That is double of 34 is equal to 68. Okay, 34 plus 34, you check. 34 plus 34, 68. Okay, then double of 27. Double of 27 is equal to 27 into 2. 27 into 2. 7 twos are 14. 7 twos are 14. Write 4 in the ones column. Then 1 is carry over to the tens place. Then what is the next step? Yeah, multiply the tens place by 2. 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then double of 27 is equal to, what's the answer? Double of 27 is equal to 54. Is it clear? Any doubt? Okay. If you have any doubt, you can call me. Thank you.